Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're doing a quick sound test with the Kawasaki ZX-4RR to compare 3 different audio recording setups. Let's get into it. The first one is the onboard audio directly captured from the Insta360 X5 with the setting Auto Wind Noise Reduction Strong, which is advised for motorcycling. Next up is the Tascam external microphone recording in 32-bit float, placed under the body seat. As you can see, I'm using a wind filter with some acoustic foam to get some protection from the wind. The main advantage of 32-bit float recording is that it captures extreme loud volumes without distortion and preserves the full detail across all levels. And finally, let's blend these 2 recordings together and see if the result sounds even better. Okay, first up, the Insta360 X5's built-in microphone. Let's hear how that sounds. Alright, I think the sound is okay overall. The wind is filtered out nicely and the intake sound has a decent punch to it. But in general, it lacks depth and clarity. It sounds quite dull and the growl is really missing something. Next up, we're switching to the 32-bit float Tascam recorder. Let's see how this sounds. Okay, very nice. This already sounds way better. The audio is much fuller and wider, with a rich, detailed sound spectrum. And what really stands out is how clearly you can distinguish all the different elements. The intake, the exhaust, even the gearbox whine. Every little movement of the clutch, throttle is audible. This gives us a much more realistic and immersive sound image. The wind filter and the acoustic setup also do a great job. There's hardly any wind noise. Let's mix these 2 sound recordings together and see if we can get an even better sound. So now the big question, which audio setup should I use in my future videos? Do you prefer the raw detail of the 32-bit float, the simplicity of the Insta360 X5, or the immersive mix of both? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback will help shape the next rides. And if you enjoy this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more engine sound experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next ride.